We're here at GROB, standing in front of their GMP 300 metal printing machine, and Christoph here knows all about the machine. So, Christoph, why have GROB brought this to market?
GROB wanted to develop a process that is easy to use, fast and cost efficient, and we wanted to develop a new process for additive manufacturing.
And what materials is it printing?
It's printing different alloys of aluminium.
And how does it work?
It's a crucible where we melt aluminium wire and we push a little droplet out of this crucible, about 500 drops per second, and print layer by layer on this moving substrate plate.
And we've got some really exciting demos to show you that have proven very successful, shall we say. But what are the main uses? Who really needs a machine like this then?
So wherever you would need aluminium parts, whether it's fixtures or grippers, for example, or parts that we are printing now at the moment for e-mobility stations like this fluent guiding nozzle here. This is only half printed. The actual part would look like that.
Oh, I see, yes. So you're printing components really that subtractive machining essentially can't or would be difficult to.
Exactly. This could probably be drilled and then blacked, but it's hard to machine, and it's also hard to print in a laser powder bed additive manufacturing machine. But with our process, we can print that without the issues that there is powder left in the tubes, or without the hazard that you can't clean it completely. And it's very fast, and that makes it also very cost efficient.
So in terms of the machine itself, it's quite an easy machine to install, because that's what you said to me off camera. There's no kind of other things that other people have to think about. So tell me why this is a bonus, and how easy is it?
So, as you said, it's easy to install. We just delivered it with a truck, placed it here with a forklift, and basically could start printing maybe an hour later.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
It's that simple. And there's no other equipment that you need, it's just this machine and you're good to go.
Exactly. So we don't wear a gas mask here, we don't have an evacuation, it's just the machine. The parts come off the build plate by themselves, so you don't need cutting or any kind of eroding equipment for post-processing. It's just this standalone solution, and you can print parts.
Right, let's see some more examples now. So why have you printed this fixture then?
So this welding fixture was printed in plastic before, and it only holds about 3 or 4 cycles of welding, then it melted too much.
Okay.
And now we can print it for nearly the same price in aluminium, which would make that last for a very long time.
Okay, and other examples as well, because you have got some machining operations that you've done on here too, haven't you?
Yeah, this is a funnel that we print for a machine that evacuates some fumes out of a welding process. And this part was printed and post-processed on the functional surfaces in about 4 hours.
Oh, wow.
The original part that was machined out of a full block produced a lot of chips and was also a lot more expensive, because we only needed a couple of those, and the original part was more than 5 times the cost.
So you're telling me you can make major cost savings, major time savings, you're getting rid of a lot more waste. Are there any other benefits to this? Because there's quite a few there.
So if we look at that part, for example, the material properties are very good in this process. If you compare it with other additive manufacturing processes, the material is very dense, it's without stress, without air holes. And if you see this milled surface here, it's just like the raw material.
And I know, Christoph, you say that GROB are using this very machine in their own production line.
Yeah, that's right. So if you want to save money, and if you want to print fast and without any hazard of powder or laser, and if you want to print sequentially part by part, the GMP is probably the best solution.
There you go. Thank you, Christoph.